Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to enable notification tones for groups on the Telegram app for PC. If your group messages have been coming in silently, or you just want a sound alert whenever someone texts, this guide is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all your settings. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines. That's the main menu icon. Click on it. From the menu that slides out, find and select Settings. This will open a new window where you can control different parts of your Telegram experience. Here, look for the option called Notifications and Sounds. This is where all your alert preferences are stored for private chats, groups, channels, and calls. Next, click on Groups. This section lets you manage how Telegram notifies you whenever there's activity in your group chats. Sometimes, by default, the notification tone might be off. That's why you're not hearing any sound when someone sends a message. Simply toggle on the option labeled Notifications Tone. Once it's enabled, every time you receive a message in any of your Telegram groups, you'll hear a notification sound. You can also explore additional options here, such as adjusting sound type, turning on message previews, or customizing pop-up alerts, all depending on your preference. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notification tones for all your Telegram groups on PC. Now you'll never miss an important group message again.